In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option, illustrating in which way a gymnast is able to balance his body upside down even in total darkness. For this, let me understand the ear diagram in detail. In the given ear diagram, we are seeing the vestibular apparatus exactly present at the innermost segment of the ear. This scala vestibuli apparatus, when we are seeing in a zoomed picture, we can see exactly at the scala vestibuli area. This scala vestibuli area or vestibular apparatus or vestibular chamber is very important to balance the body. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer and we are ignoring option B, C and D to secure 4 marks. What are the points we told with this picture and option? We are giving as a narrative point in detail to take the NEET notes for future reference. Tectorial membrane have the ability to intensify the vibrational wave that are traveling. Organ of artery is responsible for facilitating the transduction of artery impulse is the organ of artery's primary job. The spinal organ of artery, the hearing receptor organ, is located in the cochlea, which is exactly indicating the vestibular apparatus. This system is known as sensory apparatus, which is in the inner ear that helps the body to maintain the posture equilibrium. Hence, the correct option is vestibular apparatus. With this specification, we are choosing option A as the correct answer to secure 4 marks after ignoring option B, C, and D.